welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be this makeup look. And in our last video, which was Navratri outfit ideas, I had worn this makeup look and I had asked you guys if you want me to recreate this look, and so many of you guys said that you want to see this look, and how can I not listen to you guys. So I have recreated this again. So the main goal for this video is gonna be to make your makeup last longer, because you're gonna be dancing all night. So this is what we are gonna achieve in this video, and it's a pretty simple look. Might be looking complex, but as I always say in my makeup tutorials, it's not complex, it's very easy. And if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my skin, but even though it's so hot in Bombay, but still I am having really dry flaky patches all over my nose and near my mouth. So as soon as I got out of the shower, I have put aloe vera gel. So that's what I have done till now. Otherwise nothing else is there on my face. This is my bare face. And I have learned this new technique of putting oils before my makeup, because my skin is really dry. So even after putting a luminous foundation or any sort of a BB cream, it clings on to my dry patches, which I don't want to happen. So I am using this oil by Juicy Chemistry, and it's the Rosehip oil. So I'm gonna color correct under my eyes. As you can see, there are shitloads of under eye circles. So I am gonna use this NYX lip cream in the shade Zurich. Yeah, a lot of people must be like, lipstick use kar rahi hai, but it's a hack. You can use a peachy lipstick under your eyes to color correct. So I am using this one, blending it with my damp beauty sponge. So I'm gonna let that lipstick set in place, and तब तक हम लोग अपना eye makeup करने वाले हैं. Now why am I doing eye makeup first and base later? Because no matter what eyeshadow you use, you're gonna have a little bit of fallout, and we don't want our base to look dark and get spoiled because of the eyeshadow fallout. So let's just put concealer directly on our eyelids and prime them. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in so you can see what we are doing on our eyes up close. This transition shade, and put all over our crease. This orangish shade, and put again in our crease, but a little tighter in our crease this time. We are going to put this shimmery shade all over our lid. Now as you can see, I have wet it a little bit because the pigmentation is not quite good, just dry.
Okay, so now as you can see, our eyes look a little shabby above our blending. So what we are going to do is take a clean fluffy brush again and dip it in this shade. Guys, I'm so sorry, Sherry is screaming over there. So yeah. So we are going to take this gold shade and we are going to put it all across our shading, which we have done like above here and below our brow bone. So what this does is it just softens up the blending which we have done, and it just cleans up a little bit.
Let's just do our brows, because I am looking very weird without my eyebrows. So we are gonna do a foundation now. I am gonna use my trusty old foundation by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So generally my under eyes crease a lot, and my foundation around my mouth just budges a little, otherwise I'm dry all over my face. So I'm just gonna powder just those areas. Okay, let's do the remaining work on our eyelids. Now I am a person who will not wear an eyeliner for such a look. I have my reasons, okay? I know a lot of you must be screaming from the screen ki we want the winged eyeliner and all that. But because I am so excited to go and play Garba that I don't have the patience to match my wings, because जैसे 7-8 बजते नीचे गाना बजना चालू हो जाता है all over. I can't handle my excitement. Secondly, what I feel is that no matter what eyeliner you put, it's gonna budge. Even if you trust that eyeliner brand or whatever, why do you wanna take chance? Imagine you're dancing and you have sweat all over your face or all over your eyelids, and something happens, you just rub your eye or something happens, and the eyeliner is just all over your face in front of so many people. It's gonna be embarrassing, right? So we are just gonna line our lash line thickly. I have thickly lined my lash line. So as you can see, I have lined my eyes, and what we are gonna do is we're gonna take the darkest brown shade, this one, and we're gonna smudge the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna take this shimmery shade and put it in my inner corners.
And I'm using the same which we used for our under eye correction. It's by NYX and it's in the shade Zurich.
And last but not the least, we are gonna do our mascara. See the difference between this eye and this eye. Okay, so now that I have done everything and I'm all set to go out of my house, I will take this Plum green tea revitalizing face mist. It's a big name, and I'm gonna spritz this all over my face. What this does is it's a little sticky in nature, so what this is gonna do is it's gonna make your makeup last longer, and also it has green tea goodness in this. So yeah. And I'm just gonna fan it with my hands, let it sink in, and this instantly just adds a glow to your face, which I really like. Like as you can see, my highlight is popping now. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do, and share this look with your friends and do recreate it. And if you happen to do so, then do not forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your recreations. And yeah, play like a beast this Navratri, and I shall see you very soon. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. हाय गाइस कर, असं कसं करते मी इकडे बघून कर. हाय गाइस.